Scotty Scott, you're working on straightening out this valve cover that was wavy.
Wavy isn't even a
starting point for this.
It's a very old trick that was shown to me a very long time ago.
I heard you're a very old trick.
Well, I can be depending on the area that I'm living in.
Oh my god.
And it doesn't take much. You don't need to beat them and damage them, and
You're gonna need to carefully do this to the 428 valve covers too.
Yeah,
but we're gonna need to wrap it with rags because of the chrome. I talked to him last night.
And within seconds.
Much better. Yeah,
so I've got a little bit more to do here, and I want to get this right here.
But it's much better.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Scotty's fixing this issue, and he's gonna fix the other one. And
turn that to loose, just a little bit. Go slow.
Loose.
Stop.
Okay.
All right, go ahead. Slow. Go ahead. Here, I got it.
You told me slow. So
yeah. No. You're good.
Careful. All right. Look at that.
So much better. All right, so I'll work on this a little bit here.
You gotta work it, girl.
Mm-hmm.
Work it, girl. All right, we'll come back in a little bit.
Sounds good, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
Watch it, Scotty. Be a magician.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and anybody of all ages or whatever you want to identify as, I don't really care. So, here we go. These are now straight. Well, yeah, straight-ish. So we have no more indented holes. They're all flat like they're supposed to be on both of them. There we go. That is so much better. I mean, I'm not going to get them absolutely perfect, because they're older, But they are a million times better. So when the gaskets go on, there won't be any leaking. And then they still got to be cleaned and scrubbed up real quick to go on. But we're waiting on the owner getting a hold of us because we found some information on the engine that he needed to know about. So we're waiting on that. But until then, boys and girls, here we go.
All right.
Oh, it's 5 o'clock somewhere.
Ooh, Red Bull time? Mm-hmm. So Mr. Burns here, after Scotty straightened out the valve cover, he put one of our badass brand new Permadry Plus valve covers.
I love running these things.
Yep, because they have shims in them and stops, so you just tighten them down till it stops.
Which they're nice.
Makes it so it doesn't leak. Makes everything so it's happy, joy. That side's done. Waiting for Gary to give me a ring about what he wants to do about these rockers over here. Our expansion tank is in and mounted and pretty. We just need to run a hose and fill it up with coolant. Got our 13-pound cap here.
We need to adjust the nuts.
Can't adjust those nuts.
Oh,
yeah, those nuts have been falling out of his ears for years.
Have met his parents?
oh, stop. Anyway, so passenger side done, expansion tank done. Waiting on to hear back from Gary about rockers, what he wants to do. Then we can get that done.
We're just waiting for the hose to come from AutoZone.
Yep, we need a piece of hose. We need some hose. We don't love them hose.
Some hose in this house.
And then on the lift it goes for pinion seal, axle seals,
And you said...
and exhaust tips.
Yeah.
Nice.
You said you greased that ball joint too.
Yeah.
And no more play?
Yeah, and I greased everything actually down there. I lubed her up like it's going out of style. We got to deal with this driver's side tie rod situation, which is easy.
Oh, okay.
We'll deal with it.
Nice.
So that's that.
Sweet.
All right.